How to see recently watched videos on Facebook. Now, the very first thing you're going to do if you want to see the videos that you have recently watched on Facebook is to go to this menu icon right here and then scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see settings on the upper part of here. So you just have to click on that. After clicking on that, you just have to scroll down until you find your activity section where activity log is located. So you just have to click on that. And the upper part of activity log, you'll be able to see categories that says videos watched, videos search right there. So all you have to do is to locate videos watched right here and click on that. And you will be able to see every video that you have recently watched on your Facebook watch. So in order for you to delete also the videos that you have recently watched, all you have to do is to tap on these three dots right here and click on delete right there. So that's how to see recently watched videos on Facebook. Hope we help.